Hi there, this is Garrett Monroe at Hiram College. I want to talk about how to create a screencast with your Tech and Track iPad Pro. So the first thing we need to do is open up our control panel by swiping from the upper right corner and finding the screen record icon. Here you can see mine flashing and blinking in red. That might not be turned on your device, and so to turn that on, we need to go over to Settings. So I find my Settings. And then I go to Control Center down here, and then I click on Customize Controls. And then I want to find this icon called Screen Recording and make sure that that is turned on up here under the Include section. So once that's on, you're going to be able to find that here, and then you're just going to hold and press on that button, and you're going to make sure that your microphone is on. It's red, which means it's hot, and you're recording whatever is happening on your screen and whatever audio the microphones will pick up on the device. So you can see my emails coming in here in live. And this is a great tool to quickly produce video content for your class. So if I want to go on the web, I can open up a browser such as Safari and go through a website. I can also open up a PowerPoint. So here's a PowerPoint, and I can record a couple, I can record a section that maybe I want students, maybe 10 to 15 minutes, I want to go over a point or make a presentation. I want to upload that to my Moodle site or put it on YouTube. And I can do that just by talking over these slides and creating a video. This works exceptionally well for doing these little bite-sized chunks of instructional content, or for walking through a process such as how to use a website, sign up for a service, something that takes a little bit of visual help or has lots of steps involved. It doesn't work well when you're doing really long videos. A lot of students don't end up watching those or going through the entire thing. So really chunking them out and doing 5-10 minute videos is really best practice. So once you're done recording, you're just going to tap and turn off that record button, and then it's going to save to your photos. So if I go to my photos, you can see videos here that I've recorded, and once you tap on those, you can actually publish these into YouTube or bring them up into iMovie. So say I wanted to bring this baby into iMovie. I'm gonna do that. Create a new movie. So here's my 3-second video screencast I already created. Now it's here in iMovie, which shows sort of some process. And I can do edits here. I can adjust the length, or I can add text as well. Maybe that'll be a topic of a later video. I can click done. Then I click on the share button. And from there, the quickest way to get this out there, I like to publish it right to YouTube. So to get this little YouTube icon to appear, you need to have the YouTube app installed, and you need to have been logged into your YouTube account. But once that's done, you can click on this, and then you can name it whatever you'd like. You can decide how large the file size is, if it's private, unlisted, or public. I often do private or unlisted, so it's not searchable to the public, but then they can still use the link to access it. And you can see here I'm under Tech and Track at Hiram Edu account. I like using YouTube because to share it and reuse it, I just use an URL, and that's easy to move around. If I try to really push these video files around, and it's difficult to email them or move them from one course to another. But if I have them on my YouTube account, they're easy to reuse. So that's a quick way that you can, with the iPad Pro, quickly publish video content. Thank you. So shoot us an email, give us a call if you need any help or you want to get cooking on any of these projects. Thank you so much.